Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to take ultra wide pictures on the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro. This phone comes with a triple camera setup at the back. It's slightly different than the one we saw on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. The main difference is this phone has the main sensor is of 40 megapixels. Then there's a secondary sensor called it's of 20 megapixels, and there's another sensor that is 8 megapixels. And Huawei combines all of these to take zoomed in photos or even ultra wide. So let me just quickly show you inside the camera how to take ultra wide. So this is like the standard view you see inside your camera app. So to switch to an ultra wide view, all you have to do is just swipe back a little, and there you see it goes up till 0.5x. This is the ultra wide. I'll just quickly show you the difference between the both. This is the standard 1x, and this goes back to ultra wide. It's similar to my Moment wide angle lens, which I use on the Google Pixel phones. And this you can capture a lot of more surroundings of your subject. See, you can take these pictures, and the pictures and the results come out really amazing. See, it's just like using a super wide angle lens on a DSLR. It looks amazing. We'll have more of these short videos as we get the phone in our hands for our full review. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.